Hey there, Phil Ebner here. I hope you're enjoying this class so far. I quickly wanted to introduce myself, the co-instructor of this class, and talk about what I'll be teaching you in this class. Throughout the rest of these sections, Nick lays out the foundations phenomenally about HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and then putting it all together by building some amazing websites. What I'll be doing is throughout these sections, I'll be taking some of the lessons that Nick teaches you and put them into practice with real-world case studies. I'll be using my website as an example of what you can do with the skills you're going to learn. Seriously, with some of the things that you'll be learning in the next 10, 15, 20 minutes, you can take that knowledge and put it into practice right now. This is a great class if you want to start developing your own websites from scratch, but it's also really good for people like me who have a website that we built with WordPress or another website builder, and all we want to know is some basic HTML or CSS code that we can implement to make changes on our websites. It's great to know the back-end code so that if we want something to look exactly how we imagine it, we can go in and change the HTML or the CSS code. So you'll see lessons with me in them popping up from time to time where we actually take what we've learned from Nick and implement it right then and there in a real world environment. Thank you so much for enrolling in this class. I just want to say from the bottom of my heart that Nick and I hope you enjoy it. If there's anything we can do to make it better, to help you learn better, please let us know. Thanks and have fun learning.